Hi, this is Gary. We are at the Extron Experience Center here in Las Vegas ahead of INFOCOM 2026, and I'm here with Chris Elmore, who's the Director of Product Development for Extron. Chris, first off, thanks for taking some time today. I know you're really busy with the show. You're only about a mile away from the convention center, but you're showing a bunch of new stuff. I just got a demo of a new room scheduling panel you introduced yesterday and shipped today. But right now we're here to talk about what? Well, tell me about this product.
Yeah, if you're familiar with our IN video processor line, it's kind of been a mainstay in classrooms, conference rooms, where you're doing smaller switch systems, single output type systems. This is the next generation, our 2000 series. It's a small 4 input, 4 HDMI input switcher with our 4K, Vector 4K scaling in it. So you've got 4 HDMI inputs. We use our Tally, if you know our Show Me cables, so you can, it's great in conference room tables where you can, provide cables to select between the 4 inputs, or a small podium in classrooms is where these get used a lot. You've got couple analog inputs and outputs for doing, you can bring in mixing, things like that, mics. There's some basic audio functionality in there, ducking, things like that.
And you have two HDMI outputs?
Yeah, there's actually 3 models. There's an HDMI only model, which will have 4 HDMI inputs and 2 buffered outputs.
So they're mirrored.
Yep, you can make one like a local loop through if you want. So you can dedicate it so if you have a desktop monitor.
Yeah.
And then we have 2 additional models with extension. One that has both the DTP3 in and DTP out, so if you want to use our wall plates, any of that stuff. And then there's an out-only model. So a lot of times you have a table, which is 4 laptops,
and just
then
a monitor.
you're extending up to the monitor. So there's 3 different options.
So this is the actual product here.
Yep, these are all 3 models.
Yep, all right. And so you have they're all part of the IN2004 series.
Yep.
And this is brand new, right?
Yes, it's the latest in the IN line.
So 4K, extend up to 330 feet like your other extension products?
Outputs, and it has seamless switching. So when you switch between the inputs, it'll, don't select an open input, but it'll seamlessly switch between inputs. You can do cuts, fades, things like that. So, clean switching.
And when is this going to be available?
This is available now.
Okay.
It is shipping. You can order it today.
All right, so you can check it out at Extron.com if you want more details on the product. In the meantime, we're going to go around the rest of the Experience Center and check out all the new products here. Chris, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Congratulations. And keep up the great work on LinkedIn on educating people.
I appreciate it.
What you're doing there is phenomenal for the industry because you're teaching people how to understand the technology and kind of breaking it down really simple. I really love it.
I appreciate it.
And of course, you can see all this at Extron.com, or you can go to raypubs.com/infocom and type in Extron in the video search window and you can find all these videos.